guys, we have a question on section 6.4, number 3. So we have a model for a population, a small community is given by P of t equals 1500 e to the kt. So that tells me that the initial population is 1500 people. We don't know the growth rate though, because k is unknown. And then it tells me that the population increases by 25% in 10 years. So that's not k, because k is the percent per year. So we're going to have to solve for k. So what does that mean if it grows 25% in 10 years? So that means when t equals 10, the population will be 1500 plus 15%, or sorry, 25% of 1500. That's what it means by growth. So it's going to be 1500 and grow 25%. So how do we find that out? We're going to do 1500 plus 0.25 times 1500. Just type that all in at once, and I think I get 1875. So in 10 years, the population, P of 10 years later, the population will be 1875. And we'll use this information to solve for k. So I'm going to plug in 10 for t and plug in 1875 for the population. So 1875 equals 1500 e to the k times 10. And we'll use this to solve for k. So we had to find the point so that we could find the growth rate. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 1500. Divide by 1500. And I get 1.25 e to the 10k, and now we can ln both sides. And they cancel out. Ln of e cancels out, so I just get ln of 1.25 equals 10k. So k is ln of 1.25 over 10, which is, k is 0.0223. So this means our growth rate is really like 2.23% per year. So again, the 25% was for 10 years, so that's not quite per year. So now we know the equation. So the equation for the population is 1500, that's the initial population, e to the 0.0223 t. So 1875 and 10 were just a single point to find k, and we'll leave those alone. And so now I'll go ahead and plug in 20 to find the population in 20 years. That was the question. So we'll just plug in 20. So P of 20 equals 1500 e to the 0.0223 times 20. And we get, I got 2343, and I'm going to round to a whole number because it's people. So 2,343 people. So hopefully this helps. The main idea with exponentials is you need to find the initial value, which we actually knew this time, and you need to find k. So we had to solve for k by using a point.